Why has it snowed now? It said that it would on 4. I'ma go inside then.
Why are you all wet?
Because it was raining outside on the wrong time.
Oh, okay, go and dry yourself. The clothes don't look dry, so it looks like I have to dry them for even longer.
Hey Lily, do you want to help me and your mom make cookies and milk for Santa?
Really, Dad? Yes, I want to do it.
Okay, then let's go.
Yeah, it is not great weather.
Let's make these cookies and milk for Santa just in case.
The table is ready with 3 cookies and a milk on a tray.
I have to go before I get hit by the storm. Help me.
Now what just happened? I need to finish this mission before the morning. It's raining so much that I can be early and I have to go now.
Santa hasn't been. It's an emergency. Help, call the police.
My job in this town is finished. Now the last one is in the house. Oh, what does this say? Elisa-Mom. I forgot where it was. It stopped the storm so I can go check on where it is at.
Santa is here, no need to worry. It is kinda reminding me of last 2 years ago when that flood happened outside.
This must be the place.
As I thought, no chimney now. How am I going to get in?
Hello everyone, I kinda got lost on coming here. Oh wow, milk and cookies for me.
Yeah, we thought that you would not come because of the weather outside. This is our old house where you would remember.
Oh yeah, I remember this house, not this new one.
Did you guys move into this wonderful house?
Yeah, of course. This is our new house where you are at right now.
Oh, okay. Now I get it. Okay, that is very nice. Now I should really get going. Goodbye.
Note: this is all a dream of them, seeing Santa,